Do you have trouble transporting your common household microwave? Will it just not fit in your luggage no matter how hard that you try? Or are you not able to make nice warm dinners for yourself in the cold conditions of the great outdoors? Well, we have a solution for you. Introducing the new Collapsible Microwave.
Yay.
The new Collapsible Microwave allows you to bring your microwave wherever you need it. The solar-powered battery gives you more power than ever before. That means you can use it without even plugging it in. The revolutionary new design provides more heat per square inch of food. Just fold, pack, and go. It's as easy as 1, 2, and 3. And there's not even a cable.
What do I say again? Oh. I graduated from Yale and I approve the collapsible microwave.
Now it's easier to store your microwave than ever. Just fold it down when you're done heating your food fiasco. It's so easy, anybody can do it. The product is only $19.99. You'll never be uncool again with our easy, super durable folding system. And introducing the new mini collapsible microwave.